In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange pages in your document using the Pandadoc editor. This is a really handy skill, especially when you're organizing a lengthy document or just need to make sure your information flows perfectly. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the document or template you're working on in the Pandadoc editor. Once you have it open, take a look over at the left side of your screen. You're going to see a section called the Page Thumbnails panel. This panel is essentially a visual overview of all the pages in your document, allowing you to see where everything is at a glance. Now, it's possible that when you open the document, the Page Thumbnails panel might not be visible right away. If that's the case, don't worry at all. Just direct your attention to the toolbar located on the left side. You'll notice an icon that looks like a series of pages stacked together. Go ahead and click on this page's icon. Doing so will open up the Page Thumbnails panel for you, making it easier to see all individual pages. Once you've got that panel open, it's time to locate the page you wish to move around. So, find the particular page thumbnail you want to adjust in your document structure. When you've got it, click and hold your mouse button down on that page. This click and hold action allows you to physically grab hold of the page within the editor. After you've grabbed the page, the next step is all about moving it. Simply drag the page's thumbnail to your desired new position within the document. You'll see that as you drag it, a visual line or marker will appear, indicating where the page will land if you release it at that spot. So, keep an eye on this marker to ensure the page is placed exactly where you want it. When you're satisfied with the new position, go ahead and release your mouse button. The page will then settle into its new spot within the document. Pandadoc is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, so as soon as you reposition your page, the document will automatically update. There's no need to manually hit a save button because your changes are preserved right then and there. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully rearranged your document's pages using the Pandadoc editor. And the great thing is, this process is seamless and instant. This ability to reorder pages with just a few clicks can really enhance the way you present your information, making sure your documents always reflect exactly what you intend. Thanks for watching.